Welcome to a weekly update on Money Squared YouTube channel. I suggest you guys to go ahead and watch the live stream with 1 second with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience, and like and subscribe and comment below your thoughts and suggestions for this video. This is a weekly update, so let's go ahead from a monthly time frame. On monthly now we can see that because of the fear of the first of all, let's check Forex Factory for the news. Tomorrow we have CAD news, CPI, CAD. Okay, GJ has a bank holiday tomorrow. Yeah, pound, yen, I mean, has a bank holiday. FOMC is on March 22nd on Wednesday. This is CPI is on Wednesday. Wednesday is gonna be a mad day. They're saying that they're gonna increase the rates for 25 basis points. So let's see if they're gonna do that. But Frank is also unemployment claims. Yeah. Okay, let's see. So now let me see this. How does this has affected or nothing major? Yeah, nothing major, I believe. Anyway, sorry for that. I was just because I live in Switzerland, I did that. Okay, monthly on gold is approaching this rejection area, but broke the previous monthly high, completely rejected. After this monthly, I was waiting if we close with body below this candle, we should continue to a downside after making this low, but obviously with the bank fear and everything, gold just shoot up, found some support here. On weekly, as previous support, resistance broke, tested that support and clears, but yesterday, last week's weekly candle closed right at resistance, where previous resistance is marked at, and with no wick at the top, indicating that there is no volume. And 1990 is a very high price because for within last week 1200 pips like were due to a correction, right? So daily is approaching this resistance. So what I would see this week, certainly I would see a retest to 1950 on gold minimum. I don't see, and then if we break higher, I would just look for deviation back inside the range and continuation. Even though we are in a bullish trend, I don't see gold moving much higher this week. We can move next week, but this week, I don't know, like it's just scary if gold continues to move to the upside more. So from a daily perspective, we have a daily resistance right over here where previous level is. So it can easily tap this level, 1958. I will wait for that and maybe retest. And yeah, it's gonna be tricky. 4 hour. 4 hour is the same. I'm waiting for this price and then how the price will react around this area, whether it will come. But also 1935 is also in the cards to come up till here, clean this whole clean traffic imbalance that prices made throughout the last week, and especially on a Friday. Look, on a Friday move like 500 pips. This is insane. Like $40. This is $50, $53. This is mad to move on a Friday. So we're due to a correction. I believe we're gonna have a correction, and then after we check where the support is formed, we can look for buys for continuation. But we need to be very cautious with FOMC meeting on Wednesday. That will probably till then price will just will recover on gold. Let's call it as a recovery. GJ on the other hand, monthly is moving it's a bearish now. Like we had a bullish momentum and then we flip back again bearish. Last week we just continuing as expected. I expect also this week to continue to fill this week again, retest this area because we closed up below this previous resistance levels, so I believe we will have a continuation to a downside. Let's see on a daily. At daily, we failing to break above here. As long as we don't break here, we're due to tapping into filling this wick, tapping into demand zone here, where prices will probably comes sooner, like in this level here, in this box and this liquidity zone here, price will come up and potentially even tap this level to a downside before having any chances to move up. But yeah, we have too many taps here. If we break above here, we need to look for buys, but there are some rejection zone here, and then we need a clear buy above here, clear close above here for buys on this level. Here a clear closure for buys until this level. For sells, again, I would wait some sort of resistance or small support to be formed, and then to break the support to continue to the downside. I see these around these levels as take profit areas because price is tapping these levels a lot and always rejecting, like as you can see here. This level is a very big support, and price can really bounce from that. Let's go quickly on a 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, we are inside this range. We found some sort of support. We broke the previous lower high. We created a support here. So if we break this support, then we have high chances of testing the support and potentially coming and filling this wick. Also, if we come up and then break these highs, close above these highs, break the highs, then we can potentially see some buys till this level here. If we come up, break above, and then close back below, we can look for sells for continuation. That's what I'm gonna look for the next week. But also don't forget, CPI is on GJ also on Wednesday, so trade safe, and I wish you a very successful week ahead and stress-free week. Bye bye.